So don't search a topic in outer world. Search topic in your inner world, in your own mind. Why, my dear students? Because if you search, if you will seek the topic in your brain, then you know that what is your specialty. Okay, what is your quality? Do work according to your quality. Feel comfortable in any point or in any subject, then do a little preparation and then speak. Suppose here I am going to show you some examples also. Suppose we are the student of UP board, and from the UKGs, LKGs, we forced to learn tenses. We forced to learn sentences. So use this method. Use this method to speak English well. Now, in our society or in our school, teachers teach us sentences or tenses in Hindi. Now convert these matters, all these matters in English. How? I am going to show you. How can we speak tenses in English? So look at me, observe me, and after observing, absorb me. Okay? So let's start tense. So my dear brothers and sisters, there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. We can speak very fast about tenses. You know why? Because the data of tenses hardly strongly stored in our brain. We are the masters of tenses. Only thing we need to convert the tenses into English. That's it. Okay. So there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. I am going to start with present tense. And present has four kinds: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. I am going to start with present indefinite tense. The identity of the present indefinite tense is ta hai, ti hai, and te hai. We use do or does helping verbs in this tense, and we use does helping verb with singular number. We use do helping verb with plural number. And one more important thing is we use s or es with singular number in affirmative sentences. And with plural number, we don't use these things. That's it, and thank you. Look how comfortable we are in the matter of grammar, because grammar is one thing that is fixed in our mind. So you can do this also. First of all, you can make notes. Okay, notes is a key power. Notes of every good thing. Notes of every good thing will help you in near future. So do this. In this way you can translate or you can write every tense: present continuous, present perfect, or the tense of past and the tense of future. And by doing this, after some time you can do preparation means repetition. Remember, what is preparation? Repetition. Never think that you are the master of this topic, because Socrates said once that when he was 18 years old, I am not saying this, Socrates said this, the great philosopher of Athens. He said when he was 18, he thought that he knows everything. When the Socrates was 18 years old, so the thinking of the Socrates was that he knows everything. But when the Socrates turned out to be a 60 years old person, he said that I am thinking that I know nothing. Every intelligent student, every brainy person has the hunger to learn more things. So never think that I am 100% in this area. Try every time to learn new things, every time to improve, every time to do your best, because best has no limit. Best has no limits. Okay, so you can do this thing, convert your tenses in English, and I will help you. There is a video available on YouTube. You can watch that video. This will help you to convert your tenses in English. You can watch it. Okay, so speak in which you are feeling good. We were on this topic. So now let's proceed this topic. So you need topic to speak, and here I am going to give you the topic. First topic is essay. Essay. You know essay? Essay. Complete knowledge or most of data about a topic is called essay. We have synonym of essay also. The synonym you might have known. Tell me the synonym of essay. Composition. 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 You might have seen this word in your books if you are reading. Essay synonym is composition. So what is composition or what is essay? You know, you might have learned many essays in your school or in your college life. Essay like Indian farmer, like the postman, like my best friend, like Mahatma Gandhi and great Indian festivals, many essays. So you can learn one essay. Not only learn. I told you before few minutes, never try to read only, but also try to absorb. Absorb means to hold everything. To hold everything studied by you. So essay, you can select an essay on Indian farmer, essay on India, essay on Indian festival, essay on Indian fair, anything. And if you are very good in English, then you can select tough topics, complicated topics belong to out of your country. Okay. So the second point is great personalities. Great personalities. Second point is great personalities. What is great personalities? Great personalities is the great person of the society, and we have lots of great persons. Number of persons. Vivekanand ji, Raja Ram Mohan Rai ji, Gandhi ji, Subhash Chandra Bose ji. Number of fantastic person we have. The only thing we need to read them, read about them, to listen them, and to follow them. You know, people have ideals. What is ideal? Ideal. What is ideal? Ideal is good person. The person of your dream. The person of your dream in your life. You want. You know, many people say, I want to become Virat Kohli in cricket. I want to become Dr. Captain Hawking in the stream of physics. I want to become this. I want to become like this. So who is this? Who is this? This is a great person of your own society. And my dear friends, I want to tell you, if someone did good thing in your society in the past, if anyone, you have many good person in the past and in present time also, and maybe in future, and who knows, you will be the great person of future. Who knows? You will be the great person of future. One of you, I don't know. But a person who will do best, receive best. If you want to receive good thing, first thing you have to give good things. Okay? So ideal means a great person or the person of your dream. The person of your dream. Person of your dream. And this will really help you. Person of your dream means what? You are dreaming to become same as that person, and it will help you to change your actions, to help you to improve your bad habits, to help you to do good things. So first thing, you can learn, or you can, after learning, you can speak about that topic, that is essay. And the second point is, you can learn or you can read about the great personalities and the person of your dream. And my third point in this, your third point is your best or favorite things. What is your favorite thing? Many things. Sir, I like this. Sir, I love this. I am dying for this, sir. Yes, we have people like this. Sir, I am die-hard fan of sweets. Okay, I also very fond of sweets. And you have your favorites. Okay, some people very hunger for cricket, or some are die-hard fan of watching televisions. I think especially girls, because they have enough time to stay at home. But no matter you are girl or no matter you are boy, if your actions are good, if your doings are best, then you will receive good or best. If you want the best, so you have to do best. So your best thing, your favorite thing. Identify what is your favorite thing. And then after identifying, convert this thing or translate that thing in English and try to learn it English. And then after learning enough words, with enough methods, you will speak about that quality or speak about your ambitions. Okay? So now, today we have also a presentation like in our last classes we had. So today I have one of my good student of my coaching, and also he is a very good, talented and nice speaker. He wants to speak something in front of all of you. So please welcome with huge round of applause Mr. Rishabh ji. Please come, Rishabh ji. Come here and speak what you think and feel comfortably and try to face the camera. Don't go down your head, okay? So Rishabh ji, the stage is yours. Please crack it. Use it.
Hello, my name is Rishabh. I am a student of Sri Adi Coaching Center. I am the student of Satyam sir and Shivam sir. Here I want to tell you about women's education. The women's education is a very serious matter.
Speak loudly, please.
सर इससे लगाना सुन नहीं पाता.
No problem. You continue speak. Continue.
We should try to educate women in our society. Some people thinks that the education of girl is wasting money. I want to tell him it is not wasting money. It is the use of money. This is a lesson of my book, English book. It is written by Sir Pandit Radhakrishnan. He is the first deputy president of our Free India, and he is the second president of Free India. This lesson is picked on free knowledge. This is his great stories.
Okay. Carry on. Don't feel nervous. Carry on.
What truly cultured mind
Continue. Think and speak. Use your time. Okay, final. That's it. Say that's it.
That's it. Thank you.
Speak. Why are you going away? Why are you afraid of this presentation?
That's it about women's education. Thank you very much.
Okay. So everyone, please clap for this presentation. You know, brothers and sisters, you saw a presentation. I will not say this was a bad presentation or this is a good presentation. Students, this is the condition of our students. Rishabh came here and he was not saying about women's education only, but he is telling us that what is the present condition of our students in English. He is a good student, he know everything about grammar, most of things, but we have knowledge. That's why I want to say through this class and in every class, we have enough knowledge, we have enough words, but we don't have enough confidence. The only thing is this. And confidence is not an object which you can purchase in market, okay? Confidence grows from within, confidence grows by practice. I think when we see a presentation, we recharge, we feel recharged, we feel energetic. And as the time passes, after 1 day, after 2 days, after 3 days, we feel low in energy. Why? Why? Because you have low willpower. So, no matter what is your condition in present time, no matter, keep working on it, keep working on it, keep working on it. And by keep working, and I told you in my last class also, and this is one of the important part of our English speaking, that never lose your concentration. If you want to become a good English speaker, then never lose your confidence. And how will you gain confidence? Gain means learn. How can you gain confidence? By speaking much, by speaking boldly. Don't feel afraid of audience. These are your brothers and sisters, my brothers and sisters. Every Indian, you know, the Constitution of India says, we the people of India, not I the people of India. We the people of India. It means we all brothers and sisters. We are Indians. So why are you feeling afraid of your brothers and sisters? They are yours and you are theirs. So feel enjoy, feel happiness in doing this. If you will feel happiness, then you feel really energetic, and after doing all these things, and don't expect, so sorry I want to say this, we are lovers of quick results. And tell me, my dear friends, a farmer sow his crop. A farmer sow his crop in his field, and after 3 or 4 months, he will get the crop, the grain. And you know, in these 3 months, the crop, the harvest receive good weather, bad weather. The harvest receive attack of animals. The harvest receive attack of gales, strong winds. The harvest receive the attack of birds. You know, in our society, we are attacked by many things, many good things, many bad things. So what will we have to do? We have to do only one thing: remove the dust. Dust means bad habits. People will say that you will not be an English speaker, and the problem is you will accept it. Don't accept it. This is their opinion. They are saying you will not be, and why are you accepting it? You will say that I will be, I surely, and I will show you one day. Tell positive things about your mind. English speaking is not the work to pluck the stars. It is one of the easiest things. If I am doing, many persons are doing better than me. So you can also do. Just tell yourself that I will be, and then you will be. And what we are telling us, that I will not be, and then you will not be. Simple. If you are into, there is a famous quotation I want to tell you. A negative mind will never give you positive life. A negative mind will never give you positive life. And a positive mind always give you positive life. Best thinking brings out your best. So my dear students, this is our today's class. I hope you will not only enjoy it but also learn a lot of things. Follow these things and we shall meet in our next session. So till then, bye bye and have a happy Sunday. Thank you.